But what about recurring decimals? How do I change them? So if I take the example 0.25, it's a repeating decimal. The digits 25, they keep repeating. I can write this as 25 with a dot on the 2 and a dot on the 5. Now how can I convert this into a fraction? So we are now converting repeating decimals to fraction. See, you know that a fraction can be converted into a terminating decimal or a repeating decimal. Now we know it's very easy to convert a terminating decimal to a fraction. Now we are going to study how to convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. So this involves one small process. So let us write x is equal to 0.25. Put it in the expanded form like that. Say another 25 also. So this is your number 0.25. Now I want to move this decimal point across the two digits which are repeating. So how many places? 2. So how many digits? 2 digits. So I multiply both sides, the left hand side by 100 and also the right hand side by 100. So here I get 100x is equal to, and you know when you want to multiply any decimal by powers of 10, you move the decimal point to the right as many places. So here two zeros are there. I'm going to move it 2 places to the right. So 25.2525, it gets repeated. Now all that you need to do is subtract the number, the x, from this. So when you subtract, what do you get? 100 minus 1, 99x is equal to, now you will notice that the decimal part now vanishes. You just get 0 after the decimal point and you are left with 25. So 99x is 25. So x will be divided by 99 on both sides. So 25 by 99 is the decimal representation of 0.25, where both the digits 2 and 5 repeat. So 0.25 is equal to 25 by 99. Now in some books you will notice that this instead of 2 dots, they also give a line across above this 25. They are the same. They denote the same, 25 by 99. Alright, we'll do one more example. Say 0.813 bar, or you can write it as 0.813. It's sufficient if you put the dots, the starting and the ending. That means all 3 digits, they repeat. So how do I convert this into a fraction? So write x is equal to 0.813813. Now I write the expanded form just for understanding this better. So now 3 digits are repeating. I multiply by 1000 on both sides. Of course, whenever you have an equation, you add the same quantity on both sides, subtract or multiply with the same quantity on both sides so that you don't disturb the equation. So you have 1000x is equal to, now you can see that it moves over 3 places, 813.813813 and so on. Now you subtract the given number, that is 0.813813. Subtract, same procedure, 999. X is equal to 813. So your number, the given number is x is equal to 813 by 999. See if you can simplify this number. It's better to leave fractions in the simplified form. So 0.813 has been converted into a fraction as 813 by 999 divided by 3. the numerator, because see, if you add the digits, if you get the digit sum of 819, it is 12, which is divisible by 3. Say 3 2s are 8, 3 3s are 3 7s are 21, and then 3 1s are 3. Divide the denominator, 333. So this is the fractional representation of 0.813, where all the 3 digits repeat. Now we'll have to take one more example where only certain digits repeat, not the entire set of decimals. So for example, if you have 0.361, where only the 61 repeats, not the 3. So how do I write it in the expanded form? 0.361, 61, 61, goes on like that. So let our x be equal to 0.3616161. Now in this case, where not all digits are repeating, so 1 or 2 digits they don't repeat, here 3 doesn't repeat. When you have instances like this, you need to do 2 multiplications. One, you move the decimal point over all the 3 digits, and again another multiplication to move the decimal point after the 3. So for the first time I have to multiply by, so I'm going to write this once again, 0.3616161. First I multiply by 1000. So I get 1000x is equal to, when the decimal is multiplied by 1000, you get 361 point, only 61 repeats, 6161. Now next I'm going to multiply by 10. That is, the x is now multiplied by 10, so I get 10x is equal to 3.616161. See, just one decimal it goes, right? One digit it moves for. The decimal point is shifted by only one digit. So now I do the subtraction, the rest is the same. So here you get 990x is equal to, there is no decimal, all that will be 0. 361 minus 3, 358. So x will be equal to 358 divided by 990. I can see that both are divisible by 2. So 179 divided by 495. Yeah. So this is the simplified form of the fractional representation of 0.361, where only the 61 repeats. So you can try out more questions like this.